so I know that the single lighting right here. Okay, so I am going to do more music videos, skits, and a lot more videos. Alright, so one more thing. Give a shout out to my friend Teresa, and on YouTube I will link her down below. Now you should subscribe to her. She has 20 subscribers. She is awesome at YouTube. Now I'm just a beginner, so if you don't like my YouTube, then okay. But I'm sure you're gonna like her YouTube. One second.
Yes, but you'll see your first snowflakes in many spots tomorrow morning, and in the worst case scenario, there's a coating on some colder surfaces. But I don't think it'll slow you down too much. But
Better lighting. Okay, so you should subscribe to her like right now. So go on the bottom and press her link, because she is awesome. I'm not just saying this because she's my best friend. I'm saying this because it's true. So if you want to subscribe to her, then it's fine, but just go check out her videos. They're really good. Trust me. I'm not kidding. So go subscribe. And yeah, I'm not making this with like video effects live, so it's iMovie, so it's plain plain. Okay, that doesn't make sense. And I did my nails. Don't you love them? I love them. Okay, so subscribe to Teresa now. Oh, and my new YouTube is going to have lots of shout outs if you subscribe. And, like, okay, so my video is going to have lots of, okay, so shout out my YouTube, wrong thing, I'm talking too fast, you know? Okay, so I'm going to do some changes to my YouTube. Okay, so one thing, I'm going to make an intro and outro. I think that's what it's called. Whatever, yeah. A new after my first intro and outro video. So you guys can tell me if you like it, and if you don't, then I'm not going to use it for my videos. I can make a new one. Alright, and also I'm going to do lots of shout out videos. If you subscribe to me and my friend, like if my friend ends up having 40 subscribers and I end up having 39, you get a shout out. Like all the people who subscribe. So then you'll go to this video, and if you subscribe, you'll type pancakes, PANECAKES, if that's how I spell it. But if it's not, just write pancakes and I'll know what you mean. And then I'll go on your channel, and I'll subscribe to you. And I'll also make a shout out video for all the people who comment. Alright, so go subscribe to my friend Teresa too, and listen to what I said about the shout out thing. Alright, bye! Don't forget to subscribe to Teresa and me. Ooh.